Hello and welcome to the channel. If you haven't done so already, make sure to like and subscribe. I appreciate that so much. So, without wasting any more of your precious time, let's go ahead and cover this. So, this is really interesting because I just did a video about the 86 and it was a separate issue, an engine issue as well too, where the oil pan has like the sealant has been, there was too much sealant when it was trying to cover the oil pan, matching it up to the vehicle, to the engine. So that will actually part of it, particles of that actually, got colluded. I guess that's the best way to say that. Colluded with the oil, and then it, obviously your car sucks the oil, so then it can, lubricate all your other parts within the vehicle. And so when that area gets blocked off, the engine is no longer taking any more, you know, oil. So therefore it starves. So I don't know if this is the case of what happened here and the car just burst into flames, or I'm not really sure. And I'm not gonna, assume anything yet because we don't know anything of exactly what happened yet. So let's go ahead and check out the video as well as read what the owner has to say. And before we get into that, actually, the owner actually said that the vehicle was in repair for 4 months. 4 fucking months? Jeez. But then again, you gotta take this into consideration that we do have a part shortage supply. I don't know, man. I don't know what's going on with these 86 or the BRZs. I don't know what's going on, man. I don't know. So let's go ahead and cover this anyway. So here we go. Check out the video, which is just crazy. And that thing burned to a crisp. It had to start from the front. Oof. It's totaled. You know what? Like it's been a while since I've seen an ice vehicle bursting up into flames. Usually I've been seeing just EVs bursting into flames. So this is, eesh. Wow. All right, so here is the article. Toyota GR86 allegedly catches fire 12 hours after returning from a 4 month long repair at the dealerships. A Toyota owner from Southern California was lucky to escape with his life after flames engulfed his GR86. The report follows other recent allegations of unreliability stemming from sports car's engine. Instagram user JZX underscore JK posted a video photos of the fire, which he claims happened less than a day after he got his GR86 back from the dealerships, where it had been 4 months. As a lot of you know, I've had this car in repair for the past 4 months, Toyota of Orange, and I just got it back this morning. I've had the car for 12 hours and I pulled off the freeway to turn down my street and it burst into flames in my face. The reason for the fire was not shared, nor was what led to requiring repairs in the first place. I think that would have been nice information to know. Um, anyway, we have reached out to both the owner of the Toyota for more details, and we'll update this story when we hear back. The owner also suggested that the comments he would be suing the Toyota dealership that repaired his vehicles because he did a terrible job. So my guess, maybe some sort of a leak of fuel somewhere because it looks like it did start in the engine. It did look like it started from the engine bay, or maybe it it got clogged from that same thing that happened to Blake, and that caused it to blow up and then cause the fire. Literally, that's what I would assume. If I had to guess, that's what I would. That's what I would guess. I think that situation is what caused it to burst into flames, and this is just going to be one of the occurrences. There's going to be more that's happening, but I still feel like it's very small. I don't know, man. I don't want to. Anyway, a representative from Toyota USA replied to the video for the fire following the comment on Instagram. Hi, Josh. Would like to speak to you about the experience further. When you have a moment, please send us a DM. Looking forward to speaking with you. If you really care enough, you can send me a DM or try to contact me directly. The owner replied, other than that, you can speak with my lawyer. Also, you have been reported to NETSA. Your dealerships has been reported to the Better Business Bureau. Will be notified shortly. Although the reasons for the fire are unknown, I'm pretty sure it started at the engine. It's far the only reason reported to be affecting the Toyota GR86. By extension, the Subaru BRZ. An owner from Arizona, Blake Alvarez, recently posted about his saga with the car. Gasket material, which was allegedly applied too generously to the oil pan, seeped into the block and oil pickup in his engine and broke it. Um, I don't know, man. Maybe, maybe that's the same thing that happened here, where it got blocked and can't get any more oil in the engine, and then it just blew up and just started a fire. I don't know. To be completely honest, I'm just guessing here. Um, we'll definitely have to hear more. Oh my goodness. Damn. Ooh, what is going on? What's going on? See, that's why you gotta. When you're a big corporation like Toyota, you can develop your own sports cars. Why are you relying on other companies? We've all known that Subaru has engine problems. You know what I mean? Because the engine is built by Subaru. Subaru made this engine. And then Toyota just built the design the vehicle, and I'm sure Subaru is producing these vehicles as well too, but I'm not sure. But I have been seeing it happening to the 86. We had the issue with that, and I did a video on that, and now it's another 86. I have not seen any BRZs having any issues, at least not yet. That's been reported on. But anyway, let me know what you guys think about this situation. Do you believe that Toyota is less reliable than it used to be? My opinion, yes, it has been less reliable than the past. Um, Same thing with Hondas. Same, not the same issues, but it's not as reliable as it used to be. But anyway, that's just my thoughts. All cars seems to be not as good as they used to be made. But they're improving. Hopefully this situation gets handled and Toyota does the right thing like they did with the last video that I covered, Blake's. As always, make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I appreciate every single one of you guys for supporting the channel. All right.